Good afternoon, student. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I came here with some another theorem, that is Pythagoras theorem, and in short it is written as P.G.T. The statement of the Pythagoras theorem is in a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, statement is something like that. In a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, prove that square of one side square of one side square of one side square of one side, that is opposite to the 90-degree. Square of one side, that is opposite to the 90-degree and greater than the other two sides. Square of one side is equal to the sum of square of other two sides is equal to the sum of square of other two side other two side. This is the statement, and you must have to note down, you must have to revise the statement from the book or from wherever you can, so that when the question has come you can predict that whether it is a Pythagoras theorem, whether it is a converse of Pythagoras theorem, whether it is a statement area theorem, whether it is a Thales theorem. So a statement of the theorem is necessary for every student to memorize, so that they can know which theorem have been asked. Actually the problem is that the thing is that in most of the cases the student did not understand which question, which theorem have been asked and which theorem I have to derive. So I will suggest statement of the theorem is must to learn each and every student. So now let's move to how we will prove this theorem. So here we need to draw a right angle triangle and write given. The given term will be written as ABC is a triangle such that ABC is a triangle such that angle B is equal to 90 degree. Okay? Angle B, what need to be proved? So in to prove it is written as AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now for construction, write construction and do the construction. Divide this triangle into two right angle triangles. So for this we have to draw from B to we need to draw a perpendicular to AC. So we will write draw a perpendicular to draw BD perpendicular to AC. Now here here the naming of the triangle is most important to prove AB square or BC square. So first there are so many options to do the correct naming, but the simplest thing is that first if I will write as triangle ABC. So for this triangle, for this one ADB, for this one I will start from A, because I have started from A and the common point is A. So I will start from A. Now A, in the B it is 90 degrees, so we will do that in the D at D it is 90 degrees, so AD, and now I will move toward this section, so it is B, ADB. It is one of the most and simplest thing. And the for second triangle, just memorize that we have to, right now we are at this point. So in the second process we will go further. triangle ABCs. In both cases triangle ABC will be common, and the second triangle it will be triangle ABC and triangle BDC. Start from this point. Just memorize that we are at this point, and the for second triangle we will go for this BDC. This is the one of the most and easiest way to name the triangle, and the process is that we have to do the similar of both. We have to do the similar of both triangle with respect to bigger triangle, that is ABC, and generate this equation. So first we will do the similarity properties. So in proof I will write, in proof I will go and prove the similar criteria. Go for the in triangle ABC, just write on the ABC and triangle ADB. A is the common point and B is the 90. So in this triangle D is the 90. So ABC and ADB, this is the correct naming. And for this we will do this one. Angle A is equal to angle A, that is equal to common in both, ठीक है, both triangle. Now angle ABC is equal to angle ADB, that is equal to 90 degree. Now two angles are equal, therefore triangle ABC similar to triangle ADB, criteria will be angle. Now from the similar properties we can divide this into two portion. So we can write that, just pair up AB, first write AB. Now the pair of AB in this triangle will be AD is equal to BC divided by DB is equal to AC divided by AB. I have earlier told how you can make the pair and proportionality the corresponding sides. For this I will suggest go for the first video, that is the basic and introduction of the similar triangle. So this is the properties of the similar triangle, properties of similar triangle. Now from this one we need to just compare two fraction. For this we can generate AB square. So see this one, here AB is in numerator, here AB is in the denominator. If we will compare these two fraction and do the cross multiplication, we will get AB square. So first we need to get AB square, then we need to get BC square, then we will add AB square plus BC square, we will get AC square. This is the process of the theorem proof derivation. So we will just go to the finding the value of AB square. Just see, we need to find AB square, so we will compare AB divided by AD is equal to AC divided by AB. After doing the cross multiplication we will get AB square is equal to AD into AC. This is the first equation. After this we can write similarly in triangle ABC and triangle similarly triangle ABC similar to triangle. Now just remember that we are at point B, so we will start from BDC at AAA and do the fraction point, find the corresponding sides. So AB divided by BD is equal to BC divided by DC is equal to AC divided by BC. In this time we can find the BC square, so we will compare this fraction to this fraction. So we will BC divided by DC is equal to AC divided by BC, and for this just doing the cross multiplication we will get BC square is equal to AC into DC. This is our second equation, and now we will add both equation and find the derivation of the theorem. So for this I will just add both equation and we find the. Now see, just write adding equation 1 and 2, adding equation 1 and 2. So here equation 1 is AB square Here equation 2 is BCA square, so AB square plus BCA square is equal to AD into AC plus AC into DC. So in this point AC is common, so AC is common, AD plus DC. Now see the figure, the sum of AD plus DC is AC, so we can write AC into AC. Now it is AC square, so this is the proof. You will get the AC square, so we can write that. Here I am writing this one. Here I am writing AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, and just proved. This is the proof of the Pythagoras theorem. I hope yet you are by watching this video you will be easily understand. Thanks for watching my video. Keep watching, keep commenting the positive comments. I will just waiting eagerly for the positive comments. So thanks. Keep have a good day. Keep a good take care of yourself.